Hi, my name is Chris Ellis. I'm a developer in Raleigh, North Carolina, and I wanted to document my exploring of making a Svelte application. So this is going to be videos on creating a full stack Svelte application. So I'm starting with a boilerplate for apps. You can use this to create all sorts of web applications. Whoa. So Svelte is a framework for creating web applications. It's in JavaScript. It tidies away a lot of the boilerplate type functions you'd have to do if you were doing it in pure JavaScript. And it's similar to Vue and React, except it doesn't ship a lot of the JavaScript down. It just compiles to a very small vanilla JavaScript, which keeps it fast. It is what powers Sapper, which is built in Svelte. It is a lot like Next.js, if you've ever used that. Sapper is what allows for single page application, contains routing, creates a service worker. It is very easy to use. You can see my current part of the project right here. Great success. Chris Ellis, that's me. This is the default. I've made a login logout function with Firebase via another website, but this is what we will be building on. Next thing I'm adding is TailwindCSS. It makes it easily to modify to test the idea for the application. So part of the problems that developers have when they make web applications is they tend to develop and don't test. So this is to speed up the testing process by getting something out there and getting it in front of users. And another reason I chose it is it can be easily nuked. When you're done testing and you're happy with it, you can just delete this whole class and use Svelte the way that it's designed. In Svelte, you can scope styles directly into the application. So if I didn't want this to be purple, I wanted it to be red, it changes to red, and it's almost immediate. Comic Sans, this is terrible. Let's go with Arial. There we go. So that's an example. It's too small. Can you see that? But that doesn't affect these styles here. Or that does affect these styles, but it doesn't affect the styles in nested. But if we wanted to, we could change the size of those as well. Oops. You got to scope it, don't you? Too big. So that's the way that Svelte is designed to work for the CSS. To make something that other people can use, the styles that I want are not going to be the ones that you want. So Tailwind is something that many people are familiar with. I think it's a good idea for making a boilerplate. That's the front end. The back end we'll use KeystoneJS, which is getting some attention. It's been a project for a while, and they they've updated it recently. But this can help generate the GraphQL API layer in the background. And that is, if you've ever made your own GraphQL layers, there's a lot of things to make. But by using Keystone, you can create these lists, which basically are schemas for the fields. And when you've got that, it will create all of the functions in the background. So very useful. So that's the idea. We'll be making a full stack Svelte application and sharing it with the world. Thank you very much. Have a good day. You can follow me at Slinging Divs on Twitter.